Good afternoon, this is Chet Porter with MarineMax in Savannah. Just listing this 2017 Boston Whaler 320 Vantage. Boat's powered by twin 350 Mercury with 381 hours. Garmin GPS. Does have the joystick, trim tabs with the indicators. On the port side here we have an air-conditioned little staging area. Very nice to come in and cool down on a hot day. To the starboard side we have the head. Nice little sink. And then the reset fuses for all your main components. But it does have SeaDek throughout. The cushions in the bow here are all brand new, just recently replaced. And this boat is equipped with a windlass. Make docking and anchoring up easy for a nice day on the beach. New isinglass weather enclosures. We do have the side curtains that are being stored, and this boat does come equipped with the Sure Shade. Seats are all in good shape. It does have the dive door here and then the ladder. This boat has a live well, also a refrigerator. And then these seats have several different positions. You can make a bed out of it. You can put these seats in different positions and just lean back in them. So it's a very, very nice design. This captain's chair to the port side here will spin all the way around, making this a fully functional cockpit. So give us a call, Chet Porter, MarineMax Savannah, on this 2017 Boston Whaler 320 Vantage. It can be reached at MarineMax Savannah, 912-525-0961. Thank you.